Hello beauties and welcome to Truly Tara. We're here, we do unboxings and reviews on multiple things. It's mostly skincare, makeup, beauty stuff. And today is another beauty box. I have Allure today. I stopped getting Allure. I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't really that they were repeating items, but I was getting a lot of repeats with them and Ipsy and. So I stopped getting it, and it's not really that I had FOMO. It was that I feel like they've stepped up their game some. Because it was kind of easy for me to let it go. But then I started, seeing other unboxings from other people, and, like I'm interested again. And they happened to send me an email saying, hey, we'll give you a box for 15. I'm sure that they did that with a lot of people. It definitely wasn't just me. And I'm telling you, I do not make anything off of these videos. Nobody sends me anything. It's just, this is just, I like to do this thing. So, except for now with Truly, I do have my code, which is Truly Tara 15, and somebody has been buying, and I want to tell that person, if you're watching, thank you. I really do appreciate, because I get a little amount, and that little amount has helped me. So, all right, yeah, that okay, and the giveaway. I'll have another question at the end, and this one is going to be multiple choice. So, all right, let's unbox this. Okay, so Allure. I'm seeing a lot of things. Open it. Okay, the best gift for graduation or any day is, I guess, oh, a GQ box. Oh, no, actually, that's Father's Day. So that tells you how behind. I got this while I was gone on vacation. So I don't know, like I this is June's box. Like I'm very much behind. But again, it came while I was on vacation. So all right. This is a good box. Even if this is the only one I get, like it already looks awesome. So yeah, it's a welcome, like, and then there's a Mud Masky limited offer, only 999 coupons available. First come, first serve offer, valid through July 31st. So it's like a 50% off coupon. That's not bad. And yeah, let's dig into this box. And I love it because they actually have pricing. Like I said, this box was 15. So well, let's jump into her. So I have a glow recipe, which I think that I have a couple of these. Oh, no. This is different. Okay. Wow. Cool. All right. Let's find out what this is. That is glass. Wow. Glow recipe watermelon glow niacinamide dewdrops. A powerhouse that can boost radiance, decrease redness, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation. In this lightweight cooling pink formula, its gel-like texture is perfect for summer. Dude, and yes, like I need this right now because going and being in that sun, like I'm telling you, I can like see in my skin. Like I really didn't realize it until today. And like I could just see like the lines and my like under my eyes. I was like, my gosh, like the sun will really take it out of you. So please be careful in the sun. And I wore sunscreen and creams every day that I was there. So, but the retail price for this is $35. So box paid for in one item. That's what I like. Okay. So next, well, let's go by the book, because I'm pretty sure everybody gets like, this is not a picking situation. This is what everybody gets. Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. Ooh, I like me some whipped creams around here. I do. So that's pretty packaging, and I got my light back on, by the way. Me and that light, we have a relationship. Okay. So I'm not going to open it quite yet. Place moisturizer. Oh, into the box. I thought that it was telling about that. That's just the directions. Okay, here we go. 7-peptide mix. Our proprietary 7-peptide mix found in all of our formulas to refresh and reveal your everyday glow. So, yeah. I mean, and it's got, I don't know if you can see the pretty little, like, light pink color. Like, yeah, if you can kind of see it there. Like that. I'm excited to try that. Okay. And it is, sorry, I said I was going to go by the book and then I put it down. Okay. It's a decadent moisturizer. There we go. And it is $45 for 45 milliliters. So that would be $1 a milliliter. And wow, there's a promo code that you can use, I guess, on Saturday Skin's website. So that's cool. All right. By the book, Tara. Oh, I was going by the book. Okay. Okay. Avita Nutriplenish leave-in conditioner. So I guess this is some hair. Wow, you'll love it. Just in time for the season's humidity-induced frizz. This leave-in conditioner smooths flyaways without dragging down your roots or flattening your hair's natural texture. So this is $13 for 30 milliliters. That's cool. And then we have Natura Ecos Tucuma body lotion. I've received this in a box before, but I don't think that I ever really got into it because I have so many body butters but I bet this is really good stuff. Why you'll love it. The first thing you'll notice is that a warm, sexy scent transports you to the beach. Hey. Then you'll quickly realize how soft and smooth this body lotion leaves legs and arms, making it perfect for summer. It is $27 for 400 milliliters. Is that how much this is? I'm guessing so. No, this is 30 milliliters. So, okay. It's an ounce. There's also I think all of these have promo codes, so that's cool. Like if you like it, then you can go buy it off of the site, and yeah, I bet it smells like coconut. Like if it's a beachy smell, then that makes me think coconut. Okay, so I did not skip a page. Okay. April Skin. Oh, I think that they offered also a free gift. That's why I'm not seeing it in here. That's not what this is, but I just seen I have an extra thing that's not in the book, but I think that I got the box for 15 and they threw in a gift. Okay. April Skin Keratin. I don't know. It's CARROTENE. And a hydro melt cleansing balm. Oh, I love balms, and I'm almost out of my Truly balm that I got. So let's check it out. I never really knew anything about balms until I got one from Ipsy, which was the Keys. And okay, this is a lot like I mean, you're not going to really get to see much of anything, but yeah, like this reminds me more of the Keys because it's hard, where the Truly Balm was a little bit like that's hard, where it's soft. I don't know. I hope that makes sense. But while you'll love it, it looks like a potted lip balm and it feels every bit as hydrating, but works a bit of magic by making your longest wearing eyeliner, brightest blush, and creamiest lipstick disappear poof. $28 for 90 milliliters. So I'm excited to try that. But $98 for a balm sounds like kind of expensive, but all right. And last but not least, well, actually, no, I still have one thing, but that's all that's in this in June's box. Ooh, Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. Kombucha. Why you'll love it. The pointed nozzle makes it easy to apply with clarifying treatment right onto your scalp, where it feels delightfully tingly and rinses clean. It whisks away days worth of hairspray, dry shampoo, and beach trips. Why is this? This is talking to me right now. While adding shine, a perk you don't get with clarifying rinses. Like, I'm hesitant. I do trust Paul Mitchell. If anybody I'm going to trust with my hair, it's going to be Paul Mitchell. But usually things like this, like, just weighs my hair down. So, I might give it a try. I know one of the last, it was a Suave that I picked up. And yeah, like, I put just a little bit in and it made my hair just, for days and days. I could not wash it out of my hair. It was horrible. Okay, so this, oh, it is the free gift. So dang, if they send you this offer, you better take it. This is a Tarte Man Eater mascara. This is a good mascara. Yeah, that wand is a good wand. Can you see it? Good. Yeah. Okay. So that's all for this box. That was a really good box. So I'm glad that I got the Allure again. There's again a couple that I'm letting go of that is just not making me happy anymore. And that leads me to my, okay, so like, subscribe, comment, please do those things and ring the notification bell. And for the question for my peeps who want to enter the contest, this is going to be multiple choice. So, am I happy with Ipsy and Boxy? Either I'm happy, I'm not happy, or it's a love-hate relationship. So you answer what you think it is. It's A, B, or C, which A is, I actually don't do A, B, or C. I'm just going to confuse you and confuse myself. So either I love it, I hate it, or it's a love-hate relationship. So does that make sense? I think it does. All right, so that's all for the Allure. That was a great box. I'm really, really, really happy with it. And yeah, it was, I'd like to give you the prices. It was 15. Did I? Yeah, okay. So that's it. That's it. All right, well, I will see you beauties in the next. Bye.